Hello students, welcome back for my third episode of representation of rational and irrational numbers on number line, specially designed for grade 9 ICSC by Ganpati Sharma. Today I have taken few numbers to represent in this video: square root of 2, square root 3 square root of 2 and 2 plus square root of 2. Anyhow, in my previous video, we have discussed how to represent rational numbers on number line. Now, today we are learning about irrational number, how to represent an irrational number on number line. First, draw an line segment of any dimensions. See that there is small gap on the upper side, so that some constructions will come, so that it will be easy for you. Don't draw a straight line very close to it. We require some small space for our construction. Anyhow, we have taken a number line, draw a straight line and two arrow marks on either sides. Yes, square root of 2. What comes to your mind? Square root of 2. Is the square root of 2 value we already know. What is the value of square root 2? 1.14. Means the number is less than 2. No doubt, the knowledge based on the previous knowledge, we are marking 3 lines. It starts from 0, 3 parts. Let us assume 1 and 2 of equal parts. Now, square root of 2. Let me change the color of the ink. From the vertex O, from the origin O, we call this as O now, number line O, as well as the point O. Draw 1 centimeter straight. Use the scale. 1 centimeter straight. Mark the point as A, where exactly you have drawn 1 centimeter. Now draw a perpendicular line from the vertex or the point or from 1 centimeter mark, perpendicular. Preferably if you use a protractor, that will be preferably easy most of the student, but those who know the construction of compass preferably use the construction of compass for drawing a 90-degree. I'm not going to touch how to draw 90-degree. Just assume you had used a protractor one way or by the compass. Preferably compass you are using and constructing 90-degree, because ICSC council generally look the construction also. As it is a new, I think they might be considering the construction of 90-degree also. Anyhow, let us mark exactly 1 centimeter. Let me name that as the other vertex as C. Yes, I'm taken the highlighter. It's an highlighter. Yes, O, A. Let me write A again. It has been A, B, O, A, C. Now, measure 1 centimeter from A to C, almost the same distance by using your compass, and cut an arc there and name that as B. Now we have O, A, B. Join OB. Joining, you can draw a straight line, dotted line. Preferably please use the scale. Yes, that now whatever the measurement of OB, that gets you the square root of 2. But how to measure that one? To measure that, can we go with the scale directly there? Preferably not essentially required when we have a number line. Keep the compass on O and measure the pencil mark to B, means keep the measure OB and exactly draw an curved line on the number line. Let's call this as P. Clear? When we are marking this as P, OP, the value of OP represents or gives the value of square root of 2. Just plot in the sense we are just plotting, we are not going to write any value of it. Plot and write the value. If the question is only plotting, oh, if you draw only number line like this, that is more than sufficient. Suppose if the ask question higher level, if it goes, you have to measure how much you get it. It is 1 point, you make it into, you can use a scale and write approximately based on our previous value, we are trying to write 1.41, 1.4. Yes, it might be 4 divisions from here, 1, 2, 3, and this might be exactly into, and if you use scale and do, definitely you will be able to get. Now, let me go for 3 root 2. Same, no change. Second part. Let me change the color of the ink. 3 square root of 2 represent 3 square root of 2. The same plotting, and the final answer we are going to write it as 3 root 2. That is 3 into square root of 2 is 1.4. Just a product of that. 3 times you are going to multiply. How much is 3 into 1.4? Whatever value you get it, you are going to clear it. This is the second part. This is the first part. This is the second part. Quite interesting is 2 plus square root 2. In this video, I'm going with the addition. Next video, I will be coming up with subtraction. How to plot 2 plus root 2. Draw a number line of your choice, any length. Again, mark the point O. Just assume till what value it comes. 2 plus 1.4. Root 2, we had already taken 1.4. 2 plus 1.4, 3.4 means approximately up to 4. Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. 2 plus 2 in the sense, don't touch anything from 0 to 2. You are directly going for this point. Let me call this as O, this as O dash. O dash will be our basic construction point. This is the starting level. 2 is already taken, 2 plus. Now, how to construct root 2? Same process. What do you mean by same process? Yes, whatever the measurement 1 centimeter, draw a perpendicular line from B, means from 3, drop and perpendicular using preferably an compass. Now take a protractor, compass, take 1 centimeter. Yes, cut it into 1 centimeter. Call it as, let me call this as C and this point as B. And this point as A as usual. Join O dash B. Yes. Now, same process, join it. OB, drop it to the number line. Let the arc come to the number line. Yes. Let me call that as P. Plot, represent 2 plus square root of 2. Means we are just plotting this. If somebody asks what is the actual value of 2 plus root 2, or the question twist, what is the value of plot and write the value of 2 plus root 2? From the number line, we can draw it, write it as O plus O dash plus O dash P. Beautiful, no doubt. What is the value of O dash? O dash is 2 plus. What is O dash P value? From O to P dash, it will be, measure from the scale, you will get 1.4. It's not 3.4. From O dash to P, it is 1.4. When you add this, 2 plus 1.4 will get 3.4. If they ask you the value, right now in this related question, you don't have the value, therefore forget about it. Only represent. We have been represented on the number line. Anyhow, we'll be making a last video for my students for subtraction questions. Keep enjoying mathematics, keep subscribing, give an feedback, call us, and enjoy mathematics. Enjoy. Happy learning. Bye bye. Have a nice day.